F11 mobile fans, happy day to you. Thanks once again for subscribing and watching my videos. It means a lot to me. The Oppo mobile brand officially entered Nigeria on the 26th of April with the launch of one of their flagship smartphones, the F11 Pro. I was invited for the launch event as an Oppo fan, but would have loved to be recognized and invited as a Nigerian tech YouTuber. Probably next time. The launch event was interesting as I got to know more about the Oppo brand and their plans for the Nigerian market and fans. But the main exciting part of the launch event for me was meeting these world-class and humble YouTubers, Mr. K, Eric Okafor, and Erinio. I missed the presence of Fisayo Fosudu. They gave me some tips on how to grow my YouTube channel. Also, this photo was taken with the Oppo F11 Pro 48 megapixel dual camera, and it looks very good under the low lighting condition. I got my hands on the Oppo F11 Pro, but I want to apologize for the poor video clarity due to the room light and my camera. I have already requested for a review unit of the F11 Pro from the Oppo Nigerian team, and I hope my request is granted. Here are the specifications of the F11 Pro: the 40 megapixel rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor, Android 9 Pie OS, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory, 20W Super VOOC fast battery charging, global 4G LTE bands. You get all this for a price of 139,000 naira for the normal model and 149,000 naira for the Marvel Avengers edition. I think the prices are quite fair because of the awesome glass and metal body design, the bigger 6.5 inches and 91% screen to body ratio bezel-less display, the intriguing rising selfie camera, and the 20W VOOC flash charge. What do you think about the price? Let me know in the comment section below. Some of you might be new to Oppo's customized user interface, the ColorOS. The Oppo F11 Pro comes with the latest ColorOS 6 UI based on Android 9 Pie, and because of the poor video clarity, I decided to do a screen record of the ColorOS 6 UI to share with you the features and customizations that Oppo brings to the table. So for those of you who are already familiar with the Oppo ColorOS, this screen record will inform you on some new customizations or features. I hope Oppo Nigeria sends me a review unit so I can properly test these features and share their functions with you. Dear Oppo mobile brand, you are welcome to Nigeria and I wish you success. Kindly enjoy the screen record of the Oppo F11 Pro ColorOS 6 user interface, and let me know which features or customizations that excites you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Remain humble. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Bye.
Last and most importantly, I want to give my special thanks to Oppo Nigeria CEO, Mr. Johnson. It's his support to make this wonderful evening happen. So thank you, Mr. Johnson. And also, last but most importantly, I would like to express our appreciation to all of you who attend this event, who save your precious time for this tonight's event to witness the Oppo F11 Pro launch here in Nigeria, to witness the Marvel's Avengers limited edition launch here in Nigeria. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Words cannot express my feelings. Thank you.
Oppo